111 Eagle Street in Brisbane is a premium grade commercial tower, and the thing that we like describing most to people when they come to visit the building is the amazing fig tree column structure. So where they burst through the podium and come to ground, they're overclad with a luminescent white material which really makes them glow, and they become a really striking feature of the ground plane. Cox chose the Cosentino Zenith product for a number of really important reasons. The first reason really is longevity. We know the material's going to be here for a very long time, and that's really what we were looking for. The second reason is its incredibly consistent colouring and flatness. So it has a perfect specular finish which catches the light really beautifully, and it can be supplied in really large format pieces, made off-site, milled, tapered and cut with concealed fixings, which was really important for the project. So for all of those reasons, it was a great choice for us. Cox would definitely look to work with Cosentino again on our premium grade commercial facades, just because of their ability to supply an incredibly diverse range of premium quality products, which is really what we're looking for. And the fact that they can be supplied pre-manufactured, cut and tapered, ready to be fixed on site is really important to us. And I think the idea of prefabrication is really important, and it's where architecture and building construction industry is going in the future.